This has never happened before in a cryptocurrency bull market. Bitcoin, it's shocking. We see the exchange reserves just plummeting, the price continuing to grind up. It's wild. We have to talk about this because it's never happened before. We also have big meme coin news, big Solana news, Avalanche news, all kinds of stuff going on. So let's get straight into it. Lots to cover. First and foremost is this, and this is absolutely insane. So if you have a look over here in the, right around there, right there in the corner, you can see that blue line is the exchange reserve. And as you can see, it's been going down here for a little while now. Okay, now this is very, very different from previous bull markets because if you have a look here back across the previous bull markets, the price is always going up and the amount of Bitcoin flooding into exchanges is always going up. Okay, 2017 we had a massive surge of, from 1 million to 2.75, almost 3 million coins on exchanges. Okay, by the end of the cycle, and if we look at the Mexican beer crisis flash crash, that was actually peak Bitcoin or close to peak Bitcoin on exchanges. Saw a huge flood of coins coming in. Then back here as well, the mid 21 cycle correction, lots of coins flooding in. But now what? Now we're basically down only, which has never happened before in a bull market cycle. You usually have coins flooding into exchanges as people sell. This time is different. This time it's been basically non-stop sucking coins off of exchanges, sticking them into cold wallets for long-term storage. This is a very clear trend that is a crazy situation because we have a tsunami of money coming in from ETFs and MicroStrategy and literally nation states. Rumors about Saudi Arabia or Qatar or whoever else buying up truckloads of Bitcoin, front-running the U.S. Bitcoin Strategic Reserve. Look at the chart. Look at the chart, man. Look at all the money right now flooding to Bitcoin, and they just keep taking more and more and more off of exchanges. Wall Street's out here, and they've bought in the last 6 weeks probably the equivalent of an entire year of Bitcoin miner production. There just isn't enough coins at the current prices to keep meeting the demand. Price of Bitcoin breaking out of our little symmetrical triangle here. Not a super strong breakout yet, so we'll keep an eye out for that. But I mean, gosh darn, look at this. We are so close to $100,000 Bitcoin. It's actually pretty wacky at this point. Be anyone who thinks we're not going to 100K, we're only 9% away, okay? Come on. Bitcoin's going to 100K, Bitcoin's going to 150K, Bitcoin's probably going up to 200K, maybe even as high as 250K pico top price this cycle. Don't fade it, okay? CFTC releases notice clearing the way for spot Bitcoin ETF options to be listed. More liquidity, more money, more aping in from Wall Street. That's what that means essentially. Crypto market extreme greed. Now, we've seen the apps soaring in the rankings, Phantom Wallets in the top 10, and Coinbase is hit the 13 of all finance apps or something the other day. So definitely there's been this surge of new people coming back into the market, but we are far away, in my opinion, from a major market top, okay? This is sort of the early rush of people starting to pay attention again. I really do not believe that we are yet close to a market top. It might be another 4 or 5 months, okay? We're not there today, even though greed went up real fast in crypto. Now, before we get into all the meme coins and stuff like that, real quick note and a shout out to today's sponsor, which is I Trust Capital. So if you want to buy and sell crypto with no tax implications, yeah, that's right, then you need to listen the heck up, because you can come over here at I Trust Capital and you can bring over your 401k, your IRA, whatever. You start a new one if you want, and you can do as much crypto trading as you want, wrapping that in your retirement plan. So you can do all the trades you want, 1,000 trades if you want. Top coins, Solana, Dogecoin, Dog with Hat, Litecoin, Chainlink, whatever you want to be trading. They got a lot of the top coins over here. 24/7, 365, low cost, no monthly fees. And you can even do in-kind withdrawals, which is very, of course, attractive. You can get that Bitcoin back in your pocket in the future. Gold and silver via the partnership with Kitco. Lots of options here to diversify out your retirement account and to save massively on crypto taxes, which of course everybody wants to do. So go check it out. $100 bonus as well if you sign up using the link down below in the description. Check it out. So we are on the verge of a major, mega breakout here for crypto. I mean, look at this. This is the total 3, which is all coins in crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, which together make about 60% of the market. So this is the altcoin market cap, including stable coins here. So we can see a major area of price resistance here where we've run into currently. Obviously, we want to start trending back above that, pushing into new highs. I think we go as high as $3 trillion this cycle. We got up to about 1.1 trillion for all altcoins combined. Last cycle, 10%, of course, which was stable coins anyway. 10% of it's about stable coins today. Actually, a bit more, probably about almost 15-20% of it's stable coins today, which is crazy to think about. Anyway, besides the point, we are on the verge of a mega breakout here. After the last 2 weeks, we've surged from 580 billion to over 800 billion. It's been a wild ride, and it's only going to get crazier as more meme coins are created, as people keep pushing up the prices on those layer one blockchains and all that kind of stuff. We are on the verge of a major breakout, and the breakout from here sends us up to the 1.1 trillion line, maybe up to the 1 trillion mark where we've seen major resistance come in before, but we are going to go a lot higher. Crypto Amsterdam, people who are worried they're late to this move, every mid-cycle breakout before gave at least 300 days of upside. Sure, it could be shorter this time, but calling it too late after 10 days is ridiculous. Plus, alt season happens in this phase. I absolutely agree. Maybe it is shorter this time. You know what? Maybe we top in like April or something like that. Okay, macro conditions worsen rapidly. We top in April. The big melt up happens. Bada bing, bada boom. Bob's your Uncle Fanny's your auntie and bear take profits or everything goes to zero. Okay. But 10 days into the breakout, 11 days in the breakout, whatever the heck we are right now, this is not late, okay? It's not too late. You are running out of time, but it's not too late. There's still a lot of time to position yourself, probably a few more weeks to position yourself to get into those, juicy big cap altcoins, stuff we've been buying like Aptos and Near Protocol, stuff like that. Watching Say as well. I think that's got some interesting potential considering the current market cap and all that sort of stuff. Obviously, guys, I own cryptocurrencies. I own the cryptocurrencies we're discussing, some of the ones we're discussing in today's video. If you want to see what I hold in my portfolio, current portfolio holdings, OTC deals, venture capital rounds, all that kind of stuff, link down below in the description. You can find all that stuff there. You also find a risk statement because investing in crypto is risky. You can lose all your money in a very short amount of time, especially when you invest in meme coins, which are even riskier and definitely can go to zero in seconds. Okay? Don't forget it. We'll talk about meme coins here in just a second. By the way, we're seeing lots of juicy breakout patterns. My buddy, the Arcane Bear, shared this with me the other day. This is a Wyckoff setup here for Aptos, which I'm very bullish on Aptos. Got myself a big fat bag of that, and I think it's going to do very well this cycle. This on the verge of a major Wyckoff pattern breakout, which will probably send the price surging much higher. So now's the time to lock in. Now's the time to pay attention. Tim says, this is very obvious, but most people forget it in the excitement. When a major coin like Solana is breaking out and starts going towards its all-time high, or probably even over it, keep an eye on all the ecosystem coins and the main memes on it. Bonk, main dog on Sol, Popcat, main cat on Sol, Jupe Exchange, Jaido Staking, Dog with Hat. Big Dog with Hat fan personally, because I got a giant fat long on it right now, and I hope it does really well and goes to $15. That'd be fantastic. Here you can see Solana only 10% away from its previous all-time highs right now. Huge move on Solana. Beautiful move on Solana. Hopefully, of course, we'll see a continuation in the next few days, couple weeks, and we start printing new highs. When we start printing new highs on Solana, the entire Solana ecosystem is going to start grinding higher in a very short amount of time. Now, here's something to pay attention to in case you're still fading the Solana ecosystem, okay? First time in history, Solana's weekly DEX trading volume surpasses Ethereum and all of its layer 2s combined. What? That's insane. That's crazy, man. What is going on over on Solana? That's nuts. It is the premier and most popular and most profitable casino right now in crypto. Oh yeah, a lot of people lose their money and the house usually wins, quote unquote. But people love the meme coin game, man. People are throwing crazy amounts of money and making crazy amounts of money. Solana floor reporting $280 million on bridge from other chains over to Solana in the last 7 days. Of course it has, because everybody's throwing their money over into Solana because that's where the hottest memes are popping up. Whether we're talking about AI memes or whatever animal memes are the trend of the day, it's happening over on Solana, mostly, okay? A little bit of stuff doesn't happen on Solana. This is crazy. Zero shared this. He said, Bonk is now doing more spot volume on Coinbase than Bitcoin. What? That's a Solana dog coin, by the way. But that's insane. Are you kidding me? That freaking Bonk is doing more spot volume than freaking BTC. This is a sign of the times, my friends, in case you're not paying attention. Jay Pegler says there's Popcat guy, diamond handed since launch, out trading me by a long shot. That's insane. This dude put in like I don't know, $17,000, $18,000 or something to PopCat at the launch of PopCat back in the day. It's currently worth $5 million. And if this thing goes to $10 billion, which it probably is going to, I think PopCat's an interesting meme, and I've been watching the charts pretty closely. We're looking for a good long entry. Besides the point, if this thing goes to $10 billion, this dude makes $50 million. The power of memes, it's insane, man. And look, things are getting pretty frothy out there in the meme coin space, but definitely next bear market, when these things go down 99.99%, and we're going to short those to the bottom, by the way. When these things go down 99.99%, they're going to be good entries on these things. You know, put 20K in PopCat and 20K in Dog with Hat and run this up generation next time. Of course, you're not going to want to do that because your thing is going to think it's go to zero. But the smart money will. Anyway, besides the point. It's getting dumb out there, guys. New Solana-based meme coin inspired on a banana taped to a wall, pumped over 100% after Binance announced the launch of a perpetual contract with 75x leverage. First off, why the heck is Binance listing a meme coin of a banana taped to a wall? Why did this art ever happen in the first place? That's not art. That's stupidity, okay? It's not art to duct tape a banana to the wall. It's not art, okay? I don't care what you modern artists say. It's not art. It's just dumb shit, okay? You're not going to convince me otherwise, all right? And the fact somebody made a meme coin off of this that is now worth $500 million freaking dollars. Crypto's so stupid sometimes, guys, but you can make money off the stupidity, okay? You can't mid-curve it too much, because if you mid-curve it, you don't make any money, all right? This is one that I bought recently. It's called Shrub. Now, Shrub is apparently Elon Musk's hedgehog. I've bought, a decent amount of this recently. Been throwing a few ETH into it, and we'll see what happens, okay? We'll see what happens. Maybe it goes to zero, maybe not. And this one's actually on Ethereum. You see most of the big memes these days launching on Solana because of the dirt cheap fees. You know, I've spent, probably a couple $100 in fees just buying this on Uniswap. It's not exactly a super user-friendly experience, but you know, maybe the hedgehog meta comes into play here pretty soon. It's been crazy. Miles sharing this one. He says, to be honest, this graphic just makes me even more bullish on memes. Meme coins super cycle. Total market cap of all meme coins together. Dogecoin up here at top, 53 billion, 94 billion in total, of which really the top three, when you look at Dogecoin, 14.5 billion for SHIB and say 9 billion for Pepe. I mean, between the three of those, they make up the vast majority of the total meme coin market cap. There is so much more space for major markups on the prices of a lot of these meme coins, whether we're talking about PopCat or Bonk or Dog with Hat or Brett over on Base, okay? And Base meme coins have seen big markups this week as well. So they're definitely getting attention. Not as much attention as Solana memes, but definitely getting attention. But man, we are going to see the total amount if we go to $10 trillion, my guess is the total meme coin market cap dominance is going to be like 5 to 10%, probably like 5% at the top. So we're talking like $500 billion of the meme coins. Yeah, it's going to get silly, guys. It's going to get real silly. Dope Oxide saying his Base about to cook up another Base season, higher highs and higher lows in the keyword in the past 12 months. Base chain about to go parabolic. Yes, pay attention to Base, as we've been saying here for the past year. We're pleased to announce that Umla is partnering with Avalanche to create Saudi Arabia's first Layer 1 blockchain fully hosted within the kingdom. This collaboration will support startups and small, medium enterprises driving technological innovation across Saudi Arabia and the Middle East near abroad region. Built on Avalanche. Avalanche bags. Yes. Yes. Awesome. Swish here saying Chainlink Labs finally saying the quiet part out loud, a once-in-a-generation opportunity. It's bigger than most think. That was in response to this. Our revamped Chainlink Labs site's now live at Chainlink Labs. We're shaping the on-chain future. If you're eager to help pioneer the way the world works, now is the time to join our team. Now, in particular, talking about the big partnerships and all the crazy things that are going on at Chainlink right now. And look, I know these technical altcoins have largely been pretty slow recently. I mean, Chainlink's been like $15 for the past year, I feel like. But the fact that Cardano and XRP have both gone up like 100% in the last week or two means that Chainlink is going to get bid. It's only a matter of time before these things move up. I'm still holding to my $140 price target. If we hit $140, I'm nuking the whole bag and it's going to be great. But we're still holding on for a $140 price target, guys. It'll be glorious when it happens. And, of course, if you're not signed up to newsletter, get signed up to our best day newsletter in the cryptocurrency industry. No, seriously, 145,000 people a week read this bad boy. You can, too. Get free to your inbox. starting from today. Link down below. It's free. Go check it out. Meme coins, altcoins, DeFi, much, much more. You'll love it. Link in the description of the pinned comment over on X. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.